Good morning, team. Today, I want to discuss the importance of maintaining a positive and supportive work environment. We all play a crucial role in creating a culture of respect, collaboration, and teamwork. Remember, our patients are vulnerable and rely on us for their care. It's essential that we provide a compassionate and empathetic atmosphere.
I agree, Dr. Mihira. A positive work environment can have a significant impact on patient outcomes.
That's exactly right. When we feel valued and supported, we're more likely to provide high-quality care. It's important to recognize and appreciate the hard work of our team members.
I've noticed that there's been some tension between a few staff members recently. How can we address these issues?
Open communication and conflict resolution are essential. We should encourage staff members to express their concerns and work together to find solutions. It's important to address issues promptly to prevent them from escalating.
Dr. Mihira, what about the impact of stress on our performance?
Stress can negatively affect our mental and physical well-being, leading to burnout and decreased productivity. We should prioritize self-care and stress management techniques.
I understand you're experiencing some discomfort, and MIHIRAA, given your recent cold, it's quite possible that this could be leading to an ear infection. Colds can sometimes cause fluid to build up in the middle ear, creating a perfect environment for bacteria or viruses to thrive, which then results in that pain and feeling of fullness you're noticing. To help manage this at home and ease your symptoms, there are a few important things you can do. For pain or fever, medications like paracetamol or ibuprofen can be very helpful, as we've discussed for managing discomfort. It's really crucial to keep your ear dry, so avoid getting water in it when you're showering or bathing. Equally important is to resist the urge to poke or clean anything inside your ear, as this can worsen the irritation or even push the infection further in. Lastly, allowing your body plenty of rest will support your immune system in fighting off the infection and help you feel better sooner. Remember, if your symptoms don't improve or if they worsen, please don't hesitate to seek further medical advice.